Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. Let's explore Game Board mode. Once you've selected the fun deck you would like to use, click the box titled Modes in the top left corner of the screen. There, select Game Boards. Now scroll through the boards and click to make your selection. Pick a token for each player and a spinner. Then click Next. Now you are ready to start the game. Just as in Freestyle mode, cards will appear in the scroll bar on the bottom of the screen. Click a card to display it. When you are finished discussing the card, click Close. In card decks with paired cards, some decks will display the question first and hide the answer. Simply click the blue box to reveal the answer card. In other decks, you will have the option of displaying a question and answer side by side, or provide your students with 2, 3, or 4 answer choices. Click on the card with the correct answer, then click Close when you are finished. The big spinner spins manually and will spin for a longer time. Choose Mini Spinner to spin automatically. This spinner will spin for a shorter amount of time. All tokens will begin in the start space on the game board. Drag and drop the tokens the number of spaces as designated by the spinner. The first student to reach the finish space wins. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.